considered so that we can get more revenue.
Now, farmers in potato-growing counties continue their decry over lack of implementation of Irish potato packaging in the recommended 50-kilogram bags. According to the Secretary in charge of Agricultural Engineering in the Ministry of Agriculture, Joseph Kakanya, who directed agricultural executives from all Irish potato-producing counties to have deliberations on the implementation of Potato Packaging Act, which is yet to be put into action in the affected counties. Middlemen buy the commodity packaged in illegal 110 kg bags against the recommended 50 kg bags.
There is an opportunity for the farmers of this county to organize themselves in formal groups, whether you want to go cooperatives, whether you want to create a potato cooperative. That is the way governments, both the national and the county, will be able to support you on the areas of need. We as a country produce nearly 2 million metric tons of potatoes. We need more than that. And it's grown by smallholder farmers. And our biggest challenge for these farmers is the production per unit area. You are getting around that 50 bags per acre. If we did good practices, good seed, good agro-process husbandry, we will be talking about